Psychology shows that you're not tired from too much work, you're just not resting correctly. You can watch this video or not, I don't mind, but I have attained a decent level of strength, and how well you recover is going to be the biggest decider of how far you will go. Most people finish work and call what they do next rest. They go home, they put on Netflix, they scroll, and they listen to music. They fill every second of silence with noise, and then they wonder why they wake up the next day still exhausted. That's not rest, that is consumption, and consumption drains you just as much as work does. Your brain never actually switched off. So here's what actual rest looks like. 1. Silence. Lay down, close your eyes. No music, no phone. Even if you do not sleep, your nervous system recovers. Number 2, move. A walk, a training session, physical activity is one of the only things that genuinely reset your mental state. Number 3, laugh. Call that one person you laugh the hardest with. Even if it's just 20 minutes, your brain needs that. The idea is to work when you work and rest when you rest. Most people do neither properly. If you actually train seriously and push your body hard, then your recovery has to be just as serious. You cannot perform at a high level without good recovery. Comment rest and I'll send you the simple recovery routine that I follow. And I teach a step-by-step system towards extreme levels of strength. If you're interested, link in bio.